Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're tying a type 2 pineapple knot with a single strand. To practice the knot, I'm going to be using a 1-inch diameter mandrel, Paracord 550 and a lacing needle. I'm first off going to tie a 3-part 5-bite Turk's head. Now for the pineapple knot. I'm going to travel on top of the first bite, then enter the knot over one, under one. So you can see that I traveled on top of the first bite, then over under. We now turn around and travel under one, over one, under over, then again on top of the first bite, and we enter over two, under one. So again you can see on top of the first bite, then over two, under one. We continue under one, over two. So, under one, over two. On top of this first bite, we enter the knot over two, under one. So again on top of the first bite, over two, then under one. We enter the knot under one, then over two. So under one, over two. Again on top of the first bite, we now travel under, over two, under one. So again, on top of the first bite, under, over two, under one. We enter the knot under two, then continue over two. So, under two, over two. On top of the next bite, again, entering under, over 2, under 1. So we went on top of the first bight, under 1, over 2, under 1. We finish our knot, placing the working end alongside the standing end under 2. This ties our knot. You can see a beautiful pattern. With that said, guys, a rather simple knot, but interestingly, it is tied using a single strand. Thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope to see you in my future videos as well.